So let's say, after understanding the concept how we can use the pointer in the expression, let me explain you what we mean by the scale factor. So what we'll do is, in the same program, let me rewrite something. For example, up to this statement, it will remain as it is. So again, if you look at this program, what we have started with is, we have declared the two variables x, a and b. We have given the value 10 and 20. We have declared the two pointers variable p and q, and we have assigned some value to it. That p has been given address of a, q has been given address of b. So now p is my 4000, q is 4050. Now see, what I am doing is, for example, I am doing p is equal to p plus 1. What do you expect here as an outcome in this p? For example, I am writing a statement like this: printf percentage u. Why have I used percentage u? Yes, because my pointer is always an unsigned integer. That is the reason why we have written percentage u. And I am trying to print a p. Yes, tell me what you expect to be printed, because at this stage, what was the value of p? Yes, 4000. Correct. And what you are doing is, p is equal to p plus 1. So as a normal user, what we think it's supposed to be 4001. That is wrong actually. What it's supposed to be, it would be incremented by the scale factor. When you do an expression like this, it will be incremented by a scale factor. Now you might have a question, what do you mean by scale factor? It is always incremented by the size of the data type that I am pointing to. So in this case, p is pointing to an integer variable. So what is the size of an integer? Yes, 2 bytes. So in this case, rather than incrementing by 1, it will be incremented automatically by 2. So when you print this value, what would be the outcome here? Yes, it's supposed to be 4002. Correct. Again, if I am writing a statement like this, now p is equal to p plus 2. Now please see at this statement, what is the value of p? Because it is after this p plus 1. What is the value of p? Yes, 4002. Now you are incrementing by 2. So how much it will be incremented? For every increment, it will be incremented by scale factor. So here 2 into scale factor. So what is scale factor? 2, because it is pointing to an integer variable. So it will be incremented by 4. So from 4002, it get 4006. This is what you mean by the scale factor. I hope you are getting, right? So now, for example, let's say in place of this integer a and b, if I make correction over here, if I write here float in the same program, what changes I need to make? Yes, in place of this integer, I have to write what? Yes, float. Correct. The same statement, it will remain as it is. When I do p plus 1, what is my p now? 4000. But now I am doing p is equal to p plus 1. So this 1 will be incremented by how much? Scale factor. What do you mean by scale factor? It is the size of the data to which, yes, the pointer variable is pointing to. So in this case, p is pointing to whom? p is pointing to a. A is what kind of variable? Float. भले उसकी वैल्यू हमने इंटीजर रखी हो, but it has been stored internally like 10.00 or something like that, right? So when you do p is equal to p plus 1, and initially p was 4000, now it get converted into 4004. So my scale factor here is 4 because it depends on the data type. Similarly, in place of this float, if I will write double, then my scale factor will be 8. Yeah, this is what you need to understand. So this is what you mean by the scale factor in case of the pointer. Thank you for watching this video.